To transfer money from Cash App to your bank account, follow these steps. Open Cash App. Launch the Cash App on your mobile device. If you haven't already, download the app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Link your bank account. Before transferring money, ensure your bank account is linked to Cash App. Navigate to the Banking or My Cash tab and add your bank account details. Initiate transfer. Tap on the Cash and BTC or withdrawal icon to start the transfer process. Enter amount. Specify the amount you want to transfer from your Cash App balance to your linked bank account. Choose bank account. Select the linked bank account where you want to transfer the funds. Review and confirm. Double check the details, including the amount and the destination bank account. If everything is correct, proceed to confirm the transfer. Authenticate transaction. Depending on your settings, you may need to enter your Cash App PIN or use Touch ID or Face ID to authenticate the transaction. Wait for processing. The transfer may take a couple of business days to reflect in your bank account. Cash App usually provides an estimated arrival date. Check transaction history. After the transfer is completed, you can review the transaction in your Cash App transaction history.